Hello everybody, good night. I will explain the following lesson plan. The speaker name, Dagonesto by Martini. Topic of the lesson, public services. Objective. Here in the objective to recognize the importance of public services in satisfying the basic needs of a population. To recognize the classes of public services offered in Colombia, to differentiate the domiciliary services from non-domiciliary services. Introduction. Here in the introduction, the teacher will place two cartoons, the board that says domiciliary services and non-domiciliary services, and write a list of public services that can be offered to the citizens, and students will write the public service on the corresponding card as they wish. Lesson description, warming up. Here in warming up, the teacher will brainstorm considering the following questions. Number one, what terms is the word service associated with? Number two, what types of services do you know? Developing activities. Here in the developing activities, the teacher will place two cartoons at the board that says common services and non-home service, and will have a list of public services that can be offered to the citizens, and the students will write the public services on the corresponding cards that they create. Through a master class, the teacher will provide the students with the concept of public service, considering that it satisfies the basic needs of the citizens. Assessment. Here in the assessment, the teacher will assign the task of reviewing a bill for the collection of public services following the following specifications. Logo or name of the company providing the services, technical information related to the mirror, bar chart indicating the consumption of the service in recent months, payment date and suspension, concept or reason for collection, and feedback in class. Conclusion. Here in conclusion, students will complete a concept map where they focus on the concepts learned at their example. Closing. Here to close, the teacher reviews that they have learned and will ask the students questions about how the class seemed to them. Thank you so much. Thank you.